Why do some animals hibernate for years? The reason is as fascinating as it sounds. While most animals hibernate for months, some, like certain frogs and snails, can hibernate for years. But why? It's all about survival. These animals slow their metabolism to near zero, conserving energy when food and water are scarce. For example, the African lungfish can encase itself in mud and survive droughts for up to 5 years. This extreme adaptation allows them to outlast harsh environments until conditions improve. What's the most impressive survival tactic you've heard of? Share below and subscribe for more nature's wonders.